You like my buying the car for impress broke gal?
No.
Buying the car for impress my wife.
King blood clot the farm, hunchback, batty boy, handicap, boy name down from the rampage.
So Bounty Killer they over Instagram a crash out like a bitch. Hear him.
Me make your career, not think out.
Bounty Killer posted a message referencing war, alliances, and telling people to prepare. The wording immediately caught attention. Shortly after, one Kevin went live and responded, basically saying, watch what you're putting out there. Now here's the thing, dancehall has always had competitive language, but social media amplifies everything. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you subscribe on Sonic Snap.
So Bounty Killer they over Instagram a crash out like a bitch. Hear him. Hope you're ready for the next episode of War is in the Air. Bullet, bullet, bullet. Sheep and shepherd on a need for get prepared. Because Bounty Killer say gunshot I go start fly. And una go run up and down. And scream like bitches. Because him a come back for part 2 of the war. And him a basically ask which alliance them did mash up. What you mean? Kill them all and done. Kill them all and done. What you mean? Cartel did rub out alliance. What you talk about? Now you forward out your send threat per Instagram. Bounty, do you actually paying attention to what you writing? Eh? Last night, me see a man forward on a page I come talk about, oh, if you call Bounty Killer name one more time, I go shoot up your car. You wait too long, man. Me not deal with threats. You understand? And just remember, say, when you go look for trouble, trouble there you wait for you. Anyone that on a bumper will feel like, say, a uno alone. Like me say, Bounty Killer, you write it in plain eyes, saying that you are about to send bullet after the Gaza people them, so them forget prepare. Right? Me I go tell you so we prepare. Because what you do, when time you just start this, where you did have the leader, the area leader them, I run behind you, I shoot people for you. It not happen again. You understand? Just remember, say, when you talk like this, you also have, all right, watch what you say, watch what you do. Because it will turn around and jump on shoulder. You hear that? What now gonna mess with you, it will mess with somebody else. So watch what the fuck you are do and what you say. You love send threat, go and send your blood clot threat them. Pussy.